Are you struggling to turn decisions into results? It's time to lead smarter, decide faster, succeed bigger. Learn proven strategies from a global expert in decision-making, 20 exclusive seats, real-world case studies, certificate of completion. Join the Decision Analysis and Portfolio Management International Certified Masterclass. Led by Dr. Richard Bayney, President and founder of Project and Portfolio Value Creation. What will you learn? Decision framing and quality cycles, risk management and asset valuation, portfolio optimization and value maximization, strategic and business plan alignment. Why choose our masterclasses? Real-time instructor-led, live masterclasses, case studies, activities, hands-on learning, one-on-one consultancy, personal guidance, certificate of completion. Your success starts here. Stop waiting. Start leading.